Welcome to Daily Word Dose. Want to sound smarter and more fluent in English? Then stop saying basic words like very happy, very tired, and very good. In today's video, you'll learn powerful English words that native speakers actually use. Ready to upgrade your vocabulary? Let's replace basic English with better English.
Your daily spark of knowledge. Daily Word Dose.
Instead of very happy, say ecstatic. Instead of very sad, say miserable. Instead of very angry, say furious. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Instead of very hungry, say starving. Instead of very scared, say terrified. Instead of very beautiful, say gorgeous. Instead of very big, say massive. Instead of very small, say tiny. Instead of very smart, say brilliant. Instead of very funny, say hilarious. Instead of very good, say excellent. Instead of very bad, say awful. Instead of very fast, say rapid. Instead of very slow, say sluggish. Instead of very rich, say wealthy. Instead of very poor, say destitute. Instead of very clean, say spotless. Instead of very dirty, say filthy. Instead of very noisy, say deafening. Instead of very quiet, say silent. Instead of very cold, say freezing. Instead of very hot, say boiling. Instead of very strong, say powerful. Instead of very weak, say frail. Instead of very brave, say courageous. Instead of very afraid, say petrified. Instead of very neat, say immaculate. Instead of very ugly, say hideous. Instead of very pretty, say attractive. Instead of very old, say ancient. Instead of very new, say brand new. Instead of very dry, say arid. Instead of very wet, say soaked. Instead of very bright, say dazzling. Instead of very dark, say pitch black. Instead of very colorful, say vibrant. Instead of very boring, say tedious. Instead of very interesting, say fascinating. Instead of very busy, say swamped. Instead of very calm, say serene. Instead of very careful, say cautious. Instead of very clever, say ingenious. Instead of very confused, say perplexed. Instead of very dangerous, say perilous. Instead of very difficult, say arduous. Instead of very easy, say effortless. Instead of very excited, say thrilled. Instead of very famous, say renowned. Instead of very friendly, say amiable. Instead of very generous, say charitable. Instead of very gentle, say tender. Instead of very happy about something, say delighted. Instead of very important, say crucial. Instead of very intelligent, say genius. Instead of very kind, say compassionate. Instead of very lazy, say indolent. Instead of very lonely, say isolated. Instead of very lucky, say fortunate. Instead of very mean, say cruel. Instead of very messy, say chaotic. Instead of very modern, say contemporary. Instead of very nervous, say anxious. Instead of very painful, say excruciating. Instead of very peaceful, say tranquil. Instead of very polite, say courteous. Instead of very powerful, say dominant. Instead of very quick, say swift. Instead of very rainy, say pouring. Instead of very rare, say unique. Instead of very risky, say hazardous. Instead of very roomy, say spacious. Instead of very rude, say impolite. Instead of very safe, say secure. Instead of very shiny, say gleaming. Instead of very short, say brief. Instead of very shy, say timid. Instead of very sleepy, say drowsy. Instead of very special, say exceptional. Instead of very stupid, say idiotic. Instead of very successful, say accomplished. Instead of very surprised, say astonished. Instead of very tall, say towering. Instead of very thin, say skinny. Instead of very thirsty, say parched. Instead of very thoughtful, say considerate. Instead of very tiny, say minuscule. Instead of very truthful, say honest. Instead of very unhappy, say heartbroken. Instead of very valuable, say precious. Instead of very warm, say toasty. Instead of very weak, say feeble. Instead of very worried, say distressed. Instead of very young, say youthful. Instead of very strong smell, say pungent. Instead of very bright light, say blinding. Instead of very funny person, say comical. Instead of very cute, say adorable. Instead of very crowded, say packed. Thanks for joining Daily Word Dose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Word Dose for your daily boost of English vocabulary. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.